Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to archive chats and how to find them in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp application on your phone, and if you have Android device then you have to simply long press the chat that you want to archive, but if you have iPhone then you have to simply swipe left on the chat and then tap this archive button at the top. As you can see, here's a message that this chat is archived, but for example if you want to archive all chats at once then you need to go to settings, then select section chats, and here if you scroll you will see chat history and see this button archive all chats. So when you archived this chat and you want to find it, at the very top of your chat list you will see archived folder, but if you do not see it then simply swipe down slightly on the chat list and you will see this archived folder. So this is the chat that I have just archived. And if you want to unarchive this chat then you want to again long press this chat and tap this unarchive button and it appears in the general chat list. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.